Hello everyone. So I'm working on my scent leaf. Scent leaf, that is the holy basil. These are about, let's see, I started them from seeds on the 6th of March and today is the 1st of April. So it's been about 4 weeks, give or take, and this is the amount of growth I have, as you can see. What I'm doing at this point is repotting the scent leaf because, as you can see, it is starting to run out of space in here, as you can tell from the roots peeping out. So I'm just moving them into individual cells. Okay, so I'm moving them into this container here. It can take up to 6 plants. I have the container filled with potting mix soil. Let me show you this one right here, container gardening. I always show you what I use. I don't believe in secrets. So this is the Miracle Grow potting mix soil that I'm using. And then I just filled up my tray here. So this tray can take up to 6 of these containers. Okay. And let's see what I'm doing. Okay. So just making holes in here. So scent leaves, it's not that difficult to grow if you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, I have a video sharing with you how the secrets on how to get the seeds to sprout, because a lot of people continue to struggle with sprouting scent leaf, germinating scent leaf seeds. It's not that difficult, and once it germinates and you do the right things, it grows really fast. So at 1 month we have, yeah, at least two sets of true leaves. See the true leaves? That's a true leaf. That's another set of true leaves. At this point, it's definitely safe to up pot. I wouldn't put it in the garden directly at this point because, um, in my opinion, it's still too young. You could if you wanted to. I'm just giving it the best chance. So I'm gonna let it grow in here for another 2, 3 weeks, and then put them in the garden. I'm also doing this because I will sell some of these. So if you are in the Houston area, which is where my garden is, and you would like some scent leaf seedlings, contact me, reach out. I will sell some of this. I don't need all of this. Plus somebody else probably really needs it. So if you want some of these transplants, let me know. I would ship if I knew how to package this and ship it in a way that gets to you safely. But for now, I prefer you pick up. Okay. So, yeah, just wanted to show you the next steps in growing the scent leaf. After about a month, if you started all of the seeds in one container, do take the time to repot into something bigger. You know, I would not start scent leaves directly in the garden, especially if you're doing this for the first time, because the seeds are so tiny, they'll just get lost out there. Plus, you will not be able to control the growing conditions. Okay. Let me show you what I'm doing. I'm grabbing the plants like right from the roots. You don't want to destroy the roots. I mean, you don't want to destroy the stem. Okay, you can handle the plants from the roots, and then making that hole, putting it in here like so, and then Just making sure that settles in well. I already pre-moistened the soil. I watered it. Let's do another one. So I'm grabbing it from the root like that. Try not to handle the stems when transplanting because you damage the stems. That is it. You've damaged the plant. If you damage the leaf, it can regrow. If you damage some of the root, that is okay. But you damage the stem, you can kiss your plants goodbye. Okay. So yeah, guys, if you enjoy this video, if it adds value to you, leave that thumbs up. It's important. It helps YouTube to recommend my videos to many more people. And if you are watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed, please help me grow this channel by subscribing. That's if I earn your subscription anyway. If you don't care for what I do, that's fine. Don't subscribe if you're not going to watch my videos. Seriously. Just subscribe if you want to join the family, okay? And support me. I do appreciate you. Okay. I'll keep you posted, guys. Thank you for watching. Grow a garden. Happy gardening.